3. In this video, I'll show you how to add a Rollup field in Airtable. First, sign into your Airtable account and open the base where you want to create the Rollup. Make sure you already have a linked record field connecting the tables you want to use. Next, open the table where you want to display the calculated information and click the plus button to add a new field. Choose Rollup from the field type options, then select the linked record field that contains the records you want to analyze. After that, choose the specific field from the linked table that you want Airtable to summarize. Select a calculation function, such as sum, average, count, or another available option, depending on the information you need. Now, review the Rollup result and make sure it is calculating the data correctly. For example, you can use a Rollup field to calculate total sales from linked orders, count completed tasks, or summarize information from related records automatically. Finally, save the field and continue using it throughout your Airtable base. Rollup fields update automatically whenever the linked records change, helping you keep important calculations accurate without manually updating your data. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a Rollup field in Airtable. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.